Hello, today let's discuss antithesis. Antithesis is usually mistakenly noted as the opposite of thesis. Actually, it is not. Antithesis is a rhetorical device. It's a literary device where you put two opposite or contrasting ideas. They're placed closely together in a sentence or a phrase to create a striking contrast. It is juxtaposition. It is used to highlight differences, emphasize opposites, or create a sense of balance. Antithesis often appears in parallel structures, enhancing its effect. So it is not the opposite of thesis. It's not one argument that is against the thesis. No, antithesis is placing two parallel ideas, contrasting ideas in one phrase or sentence. Here's an example. It was the best of times, it was the worst of times. That's an antithesis by Charles Dickens in A Tale of Two Cities. This contrasts two extremes, the best and the worst, to emphasize the contradiction within the time period. So for those of you who are more familiar with juxtaposition, it is that.